In this video, you'll see step by step how to create a quick, simple, and excellent calendar animation in After Effects. Let's get started. After opening a suitable composition, select the rectangle tool and draw a shape. An important tip: if you don't want to deal with the center point, go to Edit, then Preferences, then General, and make sure the checkbox here is active and click OK. Now the center point will automatically be in the exact center. Now open the rectangle settings and set the size to 350. Set the roundness to 100. Change its name to Rectangle. Copy it using the Ctrl-D shortcut. Open the rectangle settings of the copied shape and convert the rectangle path to a Bezier path. Next, select and delete the path points below. Also change the fill color. Now, select the text tool and write the names of the months. Since the text for August is a bit long, we need to reduce its size. Very good. Then, select the rectangle tool and draw a shape that completely covers the text. And track the text into this shape with Matte. Then, select the text tool and write the numbers of the months one below the other, from 1 to 31, and again with 1 at the end. Change the color to white. Let's also set the font to semi-bold. Increase its size a little. For example, 100. Open the title action safe and place the number text appropriately in the center. Okay, that's good. Now, as we did with the month names, draw a rectangle shape that covers the number 1. Then add the Gaussian blur effect. Set the blur value to 45, and turn off the Repeat Edge Pixels checkbox. Then apply the Track Matte effect to the number text. Open the position of the number text and start keyframe. Go forward 3 seconds and adjust its position so that it is back to 1. Then, open the position of the text with the month name and start its keyframe. Pull the starting keyframe back a little. Go forward a few frames and adjust the position like this. The text is slightly overhanging the edge here. To correct this, let's reduce the size of the text a little. To ensure the text is exactly in the center of the rectangle, select the position keyframes of the text and align them appropriately using the arrow keys on the keyboard. Then, select all the keyframes and give them easy ease. Select only the keyframes of the number text and set its speed graph like this. Let's watch. There's a small mistake here. The text is slightly overhanging the edge. To correct this, we need to adjust the size of the shape layer to fit the rectangle. Perfect. If you've watched this far, please like the video and let me know what you think in the comments. See you in the next videos.